It's me trying to ball on a budget. So today, guys, I really don't know when I'm going to be able to publish this video because I got this really nice camera and I don't know how to hook it up to my computer just yet. So give me some time on figuring that out, but I cannot let these hacks that I have go to waste. So we're balling on a budget. It's been like this all year as far as just saving extra money so that I can be able to use the little extra funds towards vacationing, traveling around the country. It's like hella smart. I'm a business owner now, so with the pandemic times and things like that, I am literally just trying to find a good balance to work hard but to play hard too. So in that time, I have been making sure that I am saving my money and not just overspending. So down here in Florida, since the pandemic has started, they have been giving people assistance with food. So not sure if you know what that means. SNAP benefits, stamps. I've heard a lot of different wordings for it, but that has been the GOAT for me this year. I love making money and I don't mind spending it either, but on food, I gotta eat. I have a complex. I have to eat, but I don't want to spend my money. So of course I'll accept any like dinner dates or something like that for the meantime, but right now I invested in a Sam's Club membership, and pretty much that's where the restaurants get their food, right? So I figured if I get my shopping from there, get all my bulk items from there, then I can mimic some of those recipes at my house. So it's really fun. I look in my freezer and I'm like, what do I want today? Do I want to go to Olive Garden? Do I want some steakhouse? Or what about some hibachi? Like, I buy the things that I normally would like to go out and eat with. So I have been saving mad money. I am I guess the best word is I'm disciplining myself to save aggressively, and it's worked out so well. I mean, literally I started this plan in January. It is June. The first month I saved like over $300 to $500 just extra from doing Wendy's every day, doing Krispy Kreme, doing McDonald's, doing Zaxby's and Firehouse, and just all the little extras that, you know, stop. Now I will say a few years ago, maybe it's been like almost 5, I stopped going to Starbucks. Okay, that's real. Those $10 drinks will add up, okay, to where you are literally spending $200 a month at least in Starbucks coffee. So stop doing all of that extra stuff, aggressively save, and you'll be jet setting in no time, if that is your desire, to jet set and to travel and see the world. And I'm like, why not? The pandemic has shown me that it is not promised tomorrow. You know, like, we have to take each day by the horns and just do the fullest to that, because who knows, you know, we won't be able to fulfill all of our dreams or things like that too. So that was a big wake-up call for me, and just making sure that I was able to fulfill out all my dreams, which is see the world. So we doing that. All right, so today I am feeling Red Lobster. I want some Red Lobster vibes. So today I'm doing popcorn shrimp. Okay, so this is popcorn shrimp, the Members Mark brand, which is the Sam's Club brand, and I am really excited for this. So I'm gonna do popcorn shrimp. What are my 2 sides? Maybe something like sweet carrots, jasmine rice, or something like that. But yeah, let's get it going. I do work in a few hours today, so I will be making my lunch right now with the popcorn chicken via my Red Lobster vibe. And then tonight I am going to do Brazilian steakhouse vibe. So I will be having different meats. So chicken, rack of lamb are my two choices today, and I will be making that in my crock pot, so that way it simmers all day. I can come home from work and eat like a king. So popcorn shrimp first, and then I'll move over to how I'm doing my crock pot stuff. So I wanted you to see how amazing they are being. I have it on my new wave oven, which is amazing. So they looking really crispy. I stopped them halftime just so that I can flip them accordingly, but I am salivating. This smells even better, y'all, because I'm always nervous about frozen food having that frozen taste. So I will be keeping you in tune if that happens. But I've got the popcorn shrimp on the way. I've got my sides going nice and cooked. Got my rice right in here, and I also put garlic butter in there. Y'all have to see the garlic butter that I use. Also getting that from Sam's Club as well. But this is the one. Oh my gosh, it turns everything into just deliciousness, y'all. So definitely grab that, and I will keep y'all tuned once my plate is made.